Hey guys, check this out. I got these awesome connecting blocks right here that we found on Amazon. These two girls, they love to dress up like princesses, and this is going to make their outfit complete. It comes with crowns and wands. It says it has an 8-pack, so 4 crowns, 4 wands. This is going to be awesome, you guys. Check this out. This box is really cute. It has a bow on it, so it can be used as a gift as well, guys. This box is great quality. It's awesome. You open it up and it has a Lego, or the blocks separated.
So you know which one it is because that's 1 and 2 on it.
Yes. And look, it has all easy to follow instructions.
And it has a crown. These are super easy to make, and these are wonderful.
They're wonderful and they're super cute.
Look at my wand, it's pretty, and my crown is really pretty. Look at my wand and crown, it's really pretty. I love it. Me too.
Do you guys highly recommend this product?
Yes, I highly recommend it too.